The world of finance changed in January 2024. That's when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved the first spot Bitcoin ETFs. This was a big deal. It meant investors could buy Bitcoin through their regular brokerage accounts. Before they had to use crypto exchanges, this was complicated for many. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs was a game changer. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of assets that you can buy and sell on stock exchanges. They make investing simpler and more accessible. With Bitcoin ETFs, traditional investors could finally add Bitcoin to their portfolios without the hassle of managing crypto wallets or navigating complex exchanges. The arrival of Bitcoin ETFs marked a turning point in the crypto market. It brought a new level of legitimacy and opened the floodgates for institutional and individual investors alike. Before Bitcoin ETFs, getting into crypto was like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. You had to understand complex technology, set up digital wallets, and trust unfamiliar platforms. Many investors, especially those used to traditional markets, found this daunting and stayed away. Bitcoin ETFs changed that. They provided a familiar and regulated way to invest in Bitcoin. Investors could simply buy ETF shares through their existing brokerage accounts, just like buying stocks or bonds. No need for crypto wallets, no need to worry about the technical complexities of blockchain. This ease of access was a game changer. It brought millions of new investors into the crypto space. People who were once hesitant due to the complexities of direct crypto ownership could now participate with confidence. The launch of Bitcoin ETFs had an immediate and dramatic impact on Bitcoin's price. As investors poured billions into these new ETFs, demand for Bitcoin skyrocketed. This surge in demand pushed Bitcoin's price to new all-time highs throughout 2024. One ETF in particular stood out: BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, and their entry into the Bitcoin ETF space was seen as a major vote of confidence. Investors responded enthusiastically, pouring over $37 billion into IBIT in 2024 alone. By early 2025, IBIT held over $52 billion in assets, rivaling the size of some of the largest gold ETFs. Bitcoin's price, fueled by this massive inflow of institutional and individual money, soared past $100,000, leaving many analysts predicting it could reach $200,000 or more by the end of the year. Section 4. Stability and Growth, the ETF Effect. The influx of institutional money through Bitcoin ETFs brought more than just price appreciation. It also brought stability to the crypto market. Bitcoin, once known for its wild price swings, became less volatile as large institutional investors took positions. This newfound stability attracted even more conservative investors who had previously been wary of Bitcoin's volatility. The crypto market, once a niche sector, was becoming mainstream. The success of Bitcoin ETFs also had a ripple effect on the broader crypto market. Investors, emboldened by Bitcoin's performance and the ease of ETF investing, began to explore other cryptocurrencies. This led to increased demand and price appreciation across the crypto market. Section 5. Beyond Bitcoin, a universe of ETF opportunities. The ETF revolution didn't stop with Bitcoin. Following the success of Bitcoin ETFs, regulators approved spot Ether ETFs, opening the doors for investors to access the second-largest cryptocurrency with the same ease and security. But the ETF innovation didn't end there. Applications for ETFs tracking a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Solana, XRP, Litecoin, and Hedera, began flooding into the SEC. The financial world was waking up to the potential of crypto, and ETFs were the key to unlocking that potential for millions of investors. Specialized ETFs also began to emerge, offering investors exposure to specific niches within the crypto market. There were ETFs focused on decentralized finance, metaverse projects, and even ETFs that combined Bitcoin with carbon credits for environmentally conscious investors. The crypto ETF space was rapidly expanding, offering a dizzying array of options for investors of all stripes. Section 6. Riding the Wave: Affiliate Marketing in the ETF Era. The rise of crypto ETFs created a massive opportunity for affiliate marketers. With millions of new investors entering the crypto space, the demand for information, education, and access to crypto-related products and services exploded. Affiliate marketers were perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. By partnering with crypto exchanges, wallet providers, educational platforms, and ETF issuers, affiliates could connect with this eager audience and earn substantial commissions. The key was to adapt to the changing landscape. Affiliates who stayed informed about new ETF products, regulatory changes, and market trends were best positioned to create relevant and engaging content that resonated with their audience. Educational content in particular became invaluable. New investors unfamiliar with the nuances of crypto and ETFs were hungry for information. By providing clear, concise, and accurate information about crypto ETFs, affiliate marketers could build trust, establish themselves as authorities, and drive conversions. The crypto ETF wave was here, and savvy affiliate marketers were ready to ride it to success.